Hey everybody, Ken Condon here, riding in the zone. Hey, spent about 2 hours in the forest here on my XT, and I've been really wanting to get a feel for the suspension, the fork upgrade I did. It's Cogent Engineering. It's springs and a valve, sort of like an emulator, a cartridge emulator like the Race Tech, and then some, a 5-weight fork oil. Say where the stock suspension sort of failed. Is the faster stuff. It did this stuff okay. It's doing even better now though. Whoops. Wet leaves. Stand up, be loose. This is a little steeper. Yeah. This XT is amazing. People think of it as a toy bike or a beginner bike. And sure, it's appropriate for that. I'm able to do pretty much anything on it. Like I say, the Cogent forks are giving me more confidence. I say the stock suspension did good 90% of the time. It was only when it was really choppy, rocky, and we're doing like 30 miles an hour. So we were going up that hill pretty good, not 30, but really choppy. And the suspension did great. It's an easy do-it-yourself project for anybody who's reasonably mechanically inclined. Here's an uphill choppy section. Nice wheelie. On a wheelie over those swales. Otherwise you're gonna dig your front end right into them. A good one. So the stock suspension failed on this stuff, like going fast. I'm talking like 30 miles an hour, like this stuff. The front suspension would just pack down, and I just couldn't keep up. So it's just a quick 2 thumbs up to Cogent Engineering. About 370 bucks. It's not cheap, but it's a DIY thing. You can definitely do it if you've got no lefty loosey, righty tighty. And I'm happy with it.